Hello everyone, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. Alright, so this is my newest junk journal. I haven't named it yet, but I wanted to show you it off as soon as possible. I'm really proud of this cover. I love it, especially the little butterfly that's an actual butterfly that I glued on to a piece of paper. My daughters handed me a dead butterfly and I wasn't sure what to do with it, so that's what I did. So, very proud of this piece. I took a picture and stuck it on there. I just thought it needed something to accent it. And I used Teresa's Garden digital kit to make this piece. There's a lot of stuff in it. A lot of different things I made. A lot of stuff that was already made that I just added to. Or I had already somewhat made it. And I thought, oh, well, might as well just finish it. A lot of unfinished pieces that I just finished up a little here and there. And then I also used old ephemera, or not ephemera, magazine from A Boy's Life, I think is what it's called. And of course a piece that my kids made always goes with. Two cute tags here. This one I added handmade paper to the back. Some dictionary paper, a belly band made out of an old handkerchief or scarf, and this is actually an envelope with some journaling cards stapled together. Sorry, kids are fighting yet again. Piece of book page. A flip out, some coffee dyed paper here, another magazine paper, and then for the middle, I love this idea, beautiful paper, just beautiful. Another flip out. A cute little fabric flip there. Another cute tuck here and some journaling stuff. Journaling tag or card and some tag there, and I really had fun with this. I I food colored dyed this lime green paper. I really had fun with it. And this is another like cute little memo pad type idea here. I flip this open and we have papers inside it. There's like 8 or 9 papers. I didn't do too much decorating with it. Another tag, and this is a fold out notebook, and I added a little something to each piece. Also, because of the way I glued it, it also can have a tag or something in between it. And then another cute little pocket with a cute little piece of journaling card. This is actually going to be a part of the Teresa's Garden add-on. Is this cute little piece. There's going to be one collage paper with all the pieces, and then or with parts of the pieces, I should say. And then I also distress inked this. If you can't tell, it has like different colors on it.
Can I change channel?
Yeah, you can change the channel. But that's what I did so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.